In recent years, Nigeria has witnessed a concerning rise in the use of synthetic drugs, particularly a substance known as Colorado or Colos. This drug has become increasingly popular among youth due to its low cost and the misconception that it is a safer alternative to traditional marijuana. However, the reality is far more alarming. In today's video, we'll talk about how a particular drug known as Colos has destroyed an entire generation of the Nigerian youth. So stick with me if you want to learn all about this, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss our future videos. The slang on Colos has emerged as a street phrase used to describe someone acting strangely, losing control, or behaving erratically. Common side effects of using this potent synthetic substance: as its use has spread, so has the language around it, seen into pop culture and everyday conversations. But what is Colorado? Colos. Colorado, commonly referred to as Colos in Nigerian street lingo, is a synthetic drug designed to mimic the effects of tetrahydrocannabinol (THC), the active compound in marijuana that induces a high. Unlike natural marijuana, this is derived from the cannabis plant. Colos is made by spraying synthetic chemicals onto dried plant material, such as shredded leaves or grass. These chemicals are engineered to bind to the same brain receptors as THC, but often with far more potency and unpredictability. The specific chemical ingredients in Colos often vary between batches and are typically unregulated and untested for safety, making the drug highly dangerous. Some variants have been linked to serious health issues, including hallucinations, seizures, and in rare cases, organ damage or failure. Immediate side effects of smoking Colorado. Upon smoking Colos, users may experience a range of immediate and physical and mental effects. This can vary depending on the specific chemicals used, the dose, and the individual's health status. Talking about the physical effects, there may be shortness of breath and respiratory issues. Smoking Colos can irritate the lungs, leading to coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Prolonged use may increase the risk of developing chronic respiratory conditions. Elevated heart rate and dizziness. Many users report a rapid heartbeat, dizziness, and nausea caused after consumption. These symptoms can be particularly dangerous for individuals with underlying health conditions. Dry mouth, red eyes, and appetite changes. Similar to natural marijuana, Colos may cause dry mouth and red eyes. Users might also experience changes in appetite, either increased or decreased. Mental effects. Euphoria and altered perception. The synthetic chemicals in Colos can induce feelings of euphoria or high and alter sensory perception. However, these effects are often accompanied by negative reactions. Anxiety, paranoia, and hallucinations. Many users experience heightened anxiety, paranoia, and even hallucinations. These effects can be intense and distressing, leading to dangerous behaviors. Another effect of this is impaired judgment and coordination. Colos can impair motor skills and decision-making abilities, risking the accidents and behavioral activities of the users. Dr. Adeboye Adekunle, a medical expert who spoke to This Day Live, highlighted some of these effects. He said the common side effects include paranoia, psychosis, mood swings, hallucination, an elevated heart rate, and vomiting. You start feeling the effects almost immediately after you smoke it. Colorado can also lead to organ failure. Long-term side effects of smoking Colos. The dangers of Colos extend beyond immediate effects. Chronic use can lead to severe long-term health issues. Respiratory problems. Before we continue, if you are still watching, consider hitting the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon to not miss our future videos. Long-term smoking of Colos can cause persistent coughing, wheezing, and an increased risk of developing bronchitis or other lung diseases. The harmful chemicals inhaled can damage lung tissue, leading to reduced lung function over time. Chronic use of Colos is strongly linked to mental health disorders, including anxiety and depression. Persistent use can lead to ongoing anxiety and depressive symptoms, cognitive impairment, as users may experience memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and other cognitive effects. Psychosis, as long-term use, has been associated with the development of psychotic disorders, especially in individuals with pre-existing mental health conditions. There's increased heart rate and blood pressure. There's also the risk of heart disease and stroke. Colos also has a huge impact on human relationships. Addiction to Colos can strain relationships with family and friends. It also causes decreased productivity and a whole lot of other things. Counseling support and medical assistance is advised for people suffering with this. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel, most importantly, so you don't miss out on future videos just like the one that you've just watched.